Looking for a way to store your recipes securely? Figuring out how you can better manage your ingredient and recipe data? Finding a better way to practice and determine health and sustainability for your food products? We understand that recipes are the foundation of any food business. Good recipes can increase food quality, improve food consistency, and help you forecast and manage food costs. With this in mind, EGS Angst and Grandjean software designed CalcMenu Cloud, a complete culinary management solution, powered by data. CalcMenu Cloud guarantees you a free lifetime recipe archive to ensure your recipes are stored digitally and securely. You can also enjoy over 5,000 standard products with complete information on nutrients, allergens, and all other available product data. Get access to data from your suppliers based in your region. You can request to add data from your preferred suppliers too. Product data is added and managed by our team of nutritionists, at no additional costs. CalcMenu Cloud also provides you health and sustainability tools, like carbon footprint or CO2, to determine the environmental impact of your food. And our Nutri-Score feature to utilize the universal 5-color labeling system for nutritional values. With access to built-in data intelligence, CalcMenu Cloud brings speed, efficiency, quality, and flexibility to your day-to-day culinary and business tasks. Try CalcMenu Cloud for free today. We make culinary management easy.